Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Klipsch R-41PM speakers and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these speakers are not working for some reason, like they're not connecting to your device or they're not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. You might also want to do this just for whatever reason where you want to delete all the pairing history, clear all the settings out so that you can set them up basically like they're new coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do this quite easily. All we need to do is make sure we've got power to our speakers, and we are going to make sure that it is not set to Bluetooth mode. So the source should be on anything else, any kind of analog, phono, optical, whatever, as long as it's not on Bluetooth. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come in and we're just going to press and hold this volume source button. Press and hold it. And while we're pressing and holding it, then we're going to come over to the controller. And on the controller, we're going to press this button. And then we should be able to release both buttons, and the speaker should start to blink. And it should blink for about 10 seconds, at which point the reset is complete. You can go ahead and turn them on and set them up as a brand new set of speakers.